Assalamu alaikum class 4. I hope you all are doing good at your home. Today is our first lesson after summer vacation and we will start our chapter number 3. We completed our chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 before summer vacation, so that's why we are going to start our chapter number 3, that is about multimedia. Okay. Today is basically about the reading concepts, so there is no need to write anything on your notebooks. Just understand the concept that I will teach to you, to all of you. In this lesson, in this class, we will discuss about what is multimedia, the type of multimedia, and where we use the multimedia, importance of multimedia, and which software is used to create the multimedia presentation. And after that, we will learn how to open the software that is known as MS PowerPoint, basically. So these are the topics that we will discuss today's lesson. Okay, so let's start our lesson. So the first concept is, what is multimedia, because it is the name of our chapter. So we will discuss what is the meaning of multimedia. Okay, so multimedia is the use of text, images, audio, videos, and animation together. If we merge the text, audio, video, and the animation together, then it is the form of multimedia. Okay, for example, in our daily life, you go to the, if you don't understand anything, then you use the YouTube videos for educational tutorials. So it is an example of your multimedia, because there is an audio, there is an image of a person, so it is the type of multimedia. Okay, so multimedia, there is a definition of multimedia, that is, it is the use of text, image, audio, video, and animation together. Okay, so this is the basic example of multimedia. Whenever you see the text, the image, the audio, and the animation, then it is an example of multimedia that we use in our daily life. So if I will ask about the examples of multimedia, then you have to say the educational videos, animated movies. Animated movie is also the kind of multimedia, because in the animated movies we use the characters, we use the sound, we use the image. Okay, so there is an also audio, so that's why it is an example of multimedia. After that, online games. In the online games, there is also a sound, there is also a image, there is also a video, or animation is also in the animated videos and online games. After that, there is an also example, that is your ads. Whenever you open a YouTube video, or you are watching something on your mobile or on your TV, so there if the ad will come, then it is the example of multimedia, because all of these types are included in the ad. For example, there is a text, there is an image, audio, video, and animation. So whenever you see something on screen and it include text, image, audio, video, and animation, then it is the example of multimedia. Now the second point is, what is the type, or what are the type of multimedia. So there are many type of multimedia. First one is text, second one is image, third one is audio, fourth one is video, and third one is and the last one is animation. Okay, text basically is the information that is written in the form of text. And next one is image. Image is the photographs and the graphics. If there is a photograph, any type of photograph and the graphics, then it is the type of images. So audio means sound and music. Okay, whenever I ask the type of multimedia, then you have to say text, images, audio, video, and animation are the type of multimedia. If I ask what things are included in these type, then you have to say in the text we include the information in the written form. Okay, information in the written form. And for images, it include photographs and graphics. Audio, it includes sound and music. And for video, the moving picture with the sound. Whenever you see a picture that is moving all over around, that is moving around, and it include there is a specific kind of sound for that picture, it is known as video. For example, whenever you open a video, or for example you are playing an online game, so there are some characters that are moving around and there is a sound for that character, it is known as the video. Okay, so it includes the moving pictures with the sound. Moving pictures with sound. The last one is animation. So animations are the character or the objects that are moving. Animation is different from the videos. In the videos there may be a real life person, but in the animation there are characters or the objects that are moving around. Okay, moving drawing or objects. So these are the type of multimedia: text, images, audio, video, and animation. And the things that are included in this type are written in the brackets. So you have to learn which things are included in the text, which things are included in the images, and which things are included in audio, video, and animation. If I ask what are the type of multimedia, then you have to say just text, images, audio, video, and animation. Okay, after that we learn where we use multimedia. अब हम मल्टीमीडिया को यूज कहाँ कर रहे हैं हम ये देखेंगे. सो मल्टीमीडिया इज यूज्ड इन अवर डेली लाइफ ऑल्सो. ठीक है, वी यूज इट एज अ फॉर एजुकेशन, फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, फॉर बिजनेस, फॉर कम्युनिकेशंस. सो इट इज यूज वर्ल्ड वाइड. ठीक है, इन अवर डेली लाइफ इट इज एक्सट्रीमली यूज. मोस्टली वी यूज द मल्टीमीडिया इन अवर डेली लाइफ. So there are some example for the uses of multimedia. The first one is education. Okay, the second one is entertainment. The third one is business. The fourth one is communication. Okay, so these are the basically these are the uses. These are the places where we use multimedia. जहाँ जहाँ हम multimedia को use कर रहे हैं वो ये specific fields हैं. For example, education में हम इसको कैसे use कर रहे हैं, how we use the multimedia in our education. अब आपकी ये जो class है ये मैं कहाँ कर रही हूँ, एक तरह से I am using multimedia because there is a audio, there is a text in the format, there is a text. Okay, it is a type of text because I am writing something in the written form. This is the information in the written form. So basically it is a type of multimedia. Okay, so my sound is the type of audio. Okay, so I am making the video, so it is also an example of multimedia. So I am using text, audio, and video in this class, so it is an example of multimedia also. So in the education we use multimedia for smart classes, YouTube learning. Okay, so these are example of multimedia. uses these are the uses of multimedia in education. We use the multimedia for the online classes. For example, this class is also an example of multimedia for, because it is for educational purpose and we are using online classes, so it is also an example. And YouTube learning, YouTube is also an example of multimedia. Okay, the second point is education, entertainment. So in the entertainment, how we use the multimedia, the movies, music, and games, the things that we watch or do for the fun is known as entertainment. So whenever we see a movie, music or games, these are the example of multimedia. So in the entertainment, we use the example like entertainment include movies, music, and games. Okay, after that there is a platform there where we use multimedia, that is business. हम business में भी एक multimedia use करते हैं, because whenever we want to do something, then we have to do advertisement for it. ठीक है, अगर हमने कोई अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, देन वी हैव टू डू द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. हमें उसकी एड्स बनानी पड़ती है, हमें उसको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पर शो करना, क्या करवाना पड़ता है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर हमें उसको करना पड़ता है, लोगों को दिखाना पड़ता है. ठीक है, ताकि वो उसके साथ क्या हो, इंगेज हो, उसके साथ उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली वी यूजिंग द मल्टीमीडिया इन द बिजनेस इज ऑल्सो. ओके, इफ वी फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोडक्ट्स डेमो, कि आपने अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट किया है, देन आप क्या करते हैं, उसकी ऑनलाइन प्रमोशन करते हैं. सो यू आर यूजिंग द ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म, दैट इज ऑल्सो द टाइप ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया. एडवर्टाइजमेंट, अगेन कि आपने आप कोई अपनी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च की है. ठीक है, कोई प्रोडक्ट आपने अपनी क्रिएट की है और देन आप उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपने उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना है. देन व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल डू द एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. उस प्रोडक्ट की आप डिफरेंट एड्स क्रिएट करेंगे और लोगों को दिखाएंगे दैट वी क्रिएटेड दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड इट हैज दिस बेनिफिट्स, सो दैट योर सेल इज इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, so it is also the example of business multimedia. Then there is the last one, that is communication. For communication we use the video calls. After that we use social media. अब आपके सोशल मीडिया में क्या क्या आ जाएगा, आपका व्हाट्सएप, आपकी यूट्यूब, आप लोगों का मैसेंजर, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ये सब आपके क्या आ जाएंगे, सोशल मीडिया में. ओके, सो बेसिकली आपकी जो कम्युनिकेशन, आप जहाँ जहाँ बात करते हैं, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. वो कम्युनिकेशन की एग्जाम्पल हो जाएंगी जिसके अंदर आपका सारा सोशल मीडिया आ जाएगा और आपकी वीडियो कॉल्स, ऑडियो कॉल्स और मैसेजिंग, वो सब कुछ इसमें आ जाएगा. सो बेसिकली दीज आर द यूजेस ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया. ओके, आफ्टर डैट हम देखते हैं कि अब हमने यूजेस तो उसके देख लिए कि हम कहाँ कहाँ उसको यूज कर रहे हैं, बट व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया. हर तरफ मल्टीमीडिया ही क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग, अब हम ये देखेंगे. बेसिकली अब मल्टीमीडिया क्या कर रहा है, आपका क्या कर रहा है, मेक्स लर्निंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. आपकी जो लर्निंग है उसको क्या कर रहा है, मोर इंटरेस्टिंग कर रहा है. अब आपके फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन योर फिजिकल क्लास, वी कैन, इफ वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द प्रोजेक्टर, देन योर लर्निंग इज नॉट quite interesting. But if we use the projector and if we go to the lab, then it is quite interesting for all of you. So basically, if we want to make our learning more effective, more interesting, then we will use the multimedia. So the first one is makes learning more interesting. ये आपकी जो लर्निंग है उसको क्या कर देता है, मोर इंटरेस्टिंग कर देता है. अभी मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल शो करवाती हूँ जिसमें आप देखेंगे, आई विल शो यू द प्रेजेंटेशन in the software that is known as Microsoft Word, so that you will learn how the multimedia makes our work more interesting, more professional, and so you will attract or enjoy your lesson more. Okay, so here is the PowerPoint presentation. Look at here, this is your this is the software that is known as Microsoft PowerPoint, and basically it is used for the making the present. If I will play it for all of you, then you will see that it is quite interesting. Instead of the Microsoft Word, the PowerPoint is basically also used for presentation for your class, your project, or your business. So I will start this one. Okay, so this is a transition. Okay, ये आपको भी transition show हुई है. Okay, this, look at this. Okay, so it is quite interesting. It makes your work more interesting, more effective, and the student and you will enjoy it a lot if we use the multimedia in our classes, if we use the multimedia in our daily life. So it is quite interesting. Okay, so it for example, look at here, there are example of multimedia tools that are Microsoft PowerPoint, YouTube, video editing software, educational apps. So this is your this is the example of multimedia, and it is quite interesting because we use the transition here. We use different type of text and font styling. So that's why it is quite interesting, and it will engage you more in your task. Okay. I hope this point is clear to all of you, that how important the multimedia in every field. Because it makes your work more interesting. After that, it helps to understand difficult topic easily. It helps to understand difficult topic easily. Okay, ये आपका जो डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक है उसको इजीली अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू लर्न एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर क्लास, आपने क्लास में फिजिकल क्लास में कुछ भी सीखा है, एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, देन यू विल गो टू द होम and open the YouTube and search for that topic and understand it easily, because it is the example of multimedia, and it makes your work quite easy. So you can learn from different type of videos, and you will understand that difficult topic. Okay, so the third one is increase creativity. Okay, ये आपके जो वर्क है उसकी क्रिएटिविटी को क्या कर रहा है, इंक्रीज कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल, ये जो आपका पावर पॉइंट है, मैंने आपको एग्जांपल शो की थी जब मैंने इसको प्ले किया था. देन यू कैन सी इट इंक्रीज योर क्रिएटिविटी, बिकॉज यू विल लर्न हाउ टू ऐड द ट्रांजिशन इन द पावर पॉइंट. वी विल लर्न, inshallah we will learn about how we create the PowerPoint presentation, and how we open the presentation, how we add these transition in the multimedia PowerPoint. So we will learn these in our next classes, inshallah. So it will make your work more effective and creative. Look at here. Okay, so it is quite easy to use the PowerPoint. Okay, so it increase your creativity. For example, compare plain text lesson वर्सेस एनिमेटेड वीडियो. अगर आप इस लेसन को, अगर जो मैं आपको पावर पॉइंट पे इसमें शो करवा रही हूँ, अगर इस लेसन को आप कंपैरिजन करें अपनी फिजिकल क्लासेस से, सो इट इज़ क्वाइट different from this. Okay, because there is the creativity in it, there are transition in it. Also we can also add the sound on in our presentations. We can add videos in our presentations. Okay, so it is more fun than the plain text that is written on the board. So the last question is, what software we use multimedia presentation? So we use the MS PowerPoint for multimedia presentation. आप लोग को जो मैंने अभी शो करवाई है, दिस वन, ये जो आपको रेड और ऑरेंज कलर का मिक्स से शो हो रहा है, दिस वन, ये आपका क्या है, MS PowerPoint. ओके, लुक एट हियर, दिस इज PowerPoint. प्रेजेंटेशन मल्टीमीडिया क्लास 4 सैम्पल PPTX, इसकी एक्सटेंशन क्या है PPTX. ओके, सो दिस इज द software that we use for presentation. This question we will in the next class we will learn how to open MS PowerPoint and how to create a presentation on it. So this is for today's class. In today's class we learn what is multimedia, that is use of text, image, audio, video and animation. Whenever we use this, then it is the it is a kind of multimedia. Then we read about what is what are the types of multimedia, that is text, images, audio, video and animation. And the text include the information in the written form, images include the photographs and graphics, audio include sound and music, and video moving picture with the sounds. Okay, so the last one is animation, moving drawing or objects, or and for example your animated movies. Okay, so these are the type of multimedia. After that we use where we use multimedia, हम multimedia को कहाँ कहाँ use करते हैं. We use multimedia in education, entertainment, business and communication. And these are the example for education, these are the example for entertainment, these are the examples for business, product demo and advertisement. Communication examples are video calls and social media. After that we learn about the importance, what is the importance of multimedia, हम क्यों use कर रहे हैं इसको. So it makes the learning more interesting, it helps to understand the difficult topic easily, and it increase your creativity. Okay, after that the last point is software, that what is the software name that is used for multimedia presentation. So the software that is used for multimedia presentation is MS PowerPoint, and the full form of MS is Microsoft Power. M stands for micro and S stands for soft, Microsoft and PowerPoint. So the full form of MS PowerPoint is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so this is for today's lesson, and there are some questions. The first one is what is multimedia, the second one is name any two type of multimedia. आपने सबसे पहले बताना है what is multimedia, जो कि हमने start पे learn किया है, and after that you have to tell me the name of any two type of multimedia that we use in our daily life. आपने ये क्वेश्चन बताना है. द थर्ड वन इज वेयर डू यू यूज मल्टीमीडिया इन योर डेली लाइफ, अपनी डेली लाइफ में आप कौन सा कहाँ मल्टीमीडिया यूज करते हैं, ये आप लोग बता सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आप लोग मोबाइल यूज करते हैं, यू यूज मोबाइल फॉर वीडियो कॉलिंग एंड फॉर वॉइस कॉलिंग. दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ this is a example of communication. So we use so you can say that we use multimedia for in our daily life for communication. आप अपनी communication के लिए multimedia को use कर सकते हैं. Okay, after that you have to write one example you saw today's lesson and tell how it helped you. ओके, आपने आज के लेसन में एक एग्जाम्पल बतानी है डेट यू सॉ टुडे, जो कि आज ही आपने देखी है और आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है वो. ठीक है, सो आपने ये क्वेश्चंस देने हैं. यू डोंट नीड टू राइट दिस क्वेश्चन ऑन योर नोटबुक्स, आपने अपने नोटबुक्स पे नहीं लिखने. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट दिस क्वेश्चन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो आई विल learn how I will check it on your in the comment section that who answered this question or who not. Okay, first you write your name and then you can answer this question. This is for today's lesson. Okay, Allah Hafiz.